Hello students, in this video we will discuss about linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Before the understanding this, first we understand what is the linear equation. As you know that linear equation means x equal to 1, x plus y equal to 5. These are the linear equations. That means those equations which have maximum degree 1. In this equation x equal to 1, that means degree of x is 1. So this is the linear equation in one variable. This is the linear equation in two variable. Now we will discuss what is the linear differential equation. Linear differential equation means a differential equation which have maximum order of the differential coefficient is 1 is known as first order linear differential equation. I write here some examples. dy upon dx plus 2y equal to 9. dy upon dx plus y equal to x. dy upon dx minus 1 upon x into y equal to 1. These are all linear differential equation. You can see in these equations, order of these differential coefficients are 1. dy upon dx, one time derivative, dy upon dx, one time derivative, dy upon dx, one time derivative. And here 2 and 9 are the constant, here 1 and x. This may be constant or function, anyone, but this constant function should be function of x. What is the original form of the linear differential equation or linear of first order differential equation? Standard form of linear differential equation is dy upon dx plus py equal to q. This is the standard form of linear differential equation where p and q are constants or may be function of x, may be constant or may be function of the x. This is the standard differential linear of differential equation. This is the first type of linear differential equation. Now we will see here second type of linear differential equation, not more different, only different is dx upon dy plus p of x equal to q. This is the second type of linear differential equation where p and q are constants or function, may be function of y. That means this function may be y, but this function in this type, this function may be x. Now, how to find the general solution of linear differential equation? General solution, for finding the general solution of linear differential equation, we should take some steps. First step, we explain for first type of linear differential equation. In the first step, compare given differential equation with this standard form and find the value of p and q. Then in the second step, find integrating factor. This is the short form of the integrating factor, and this will be equal to e raised to the power p into dx. P means what is the coefficient of y. In this situation, always remember that coefficient of dy upon dx should be 1. If here there is not one, so you should be divide the whole equation by this coefficient. What is the coefficient of dy upon dx? We should be divide the whole equation and make the coefficient of dy upon dx is always 1. This is the second. In the third step, we will start find the solution of the differential equation. That means we write solution y into yf equal to integration q into yf into dx plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So this is the solution of linear differential equation. These steps followed in the first case, that means our equation given in the form of this. If equation given in this form, then this is the first case. In the second case, our first step will be value of P and Q. Means first compare that equation with this standard form. If in this equation coefficient of dx upon dy are other than 1, then we should be divide by that coefficient to the whole equations. Then compare and find the value of P and Q. In the next step, find IF, means integrating factor, and this will be equal to e to the power integration P into dy. In the third step, that means we calculate the solution of this general solution of this equation. That means solution will be x into yf, that means x into integrating factor equal to integration q into if into dy plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. Now in the next video we will take two examples. First on the related to first case and second related to second case, and we will find the solution, general solution of given differential equation.